Hey, War Pugs. So, once again, I am taking a look at Dead Sound's series of Autodale. If you hear pug noises, the pug is doing pug things. I'm going to give you guys a quick update on her. And she hears this sound. She knows she's getting a treat. So here we go. Hold on a second. But I'm going to give you a quick update on her real fast. She's in here with me, as she normally is. Broke that thing in half, so she doesn't sit there. Come here. Come here, you. Come here. Come here. Oh, God. Now, this has all her interest in the world. I'm not quite sure why. But she loves it. Alright, so. She is a happy girl. She is a rather fat girl right now. Well, she's not fat. She's just preggers, yes. If you guys hear her, these are pug noises. This is Pug Noise ASMR. There you go. Your daily pug ASMR. So, she is moving right along. A few more weeks, there will be puppies involved. It's going to be a thing. Until then, more pugs. You will probably hear pug noises in the background. And she's going to be happy once she has the puppy. She looks forward. She knows that she's going to have puppies before we even do. And she starts getting really, she starts acting entirely different. She gets all excited when you talk about puppies around her. And she really loves having her puppies. I don't know why, because they wear her completely out. I think it's because she gets to eat a lot of cottage cheese, and she likes cottage cheese. Don't you? Yes, you do. But yeah, I'm looking forward to that. She's a good mama dog. She's a really good mama. This is gonna probably be her last litter too. This is probably gonna be her last litter. But that being said, War Pugs, we're going to jump now into Autodale. And thank you guys for joining me. And I really do appreciate it. I'm feeling kind of like really a certain kind of way the last few weeks. Just like really, I don't know. Mainly because I'm in here with her and she's got like, she's my little pug. Anyhow, War Pugs. These have never... Like, I'm the first one to say, this is entertainment, this is art. And it's really, really good stuff. The last one we watched, Model Citizens, easily was the creepiest thing I had seen in a long, long time. I expect pretty much the same thing out of this. You done? No, she's not done. But, I expect the same thing out of this. But... with all that being said, War Pugs, this is the creepiest series I've ever run across. Just because the kind of horror I like is where, just like with Autodale, everybody's fine with what's going on. What's going on is absolutely horrible. Let's get into it. I'm going to shut up because I think I'm rambling. All of Dead Sound's links are going to be in the description down below. Be sure to check them out, as well as mine. The Uwu Platoon shirt is out. You guys wanted it, it's there. It's in the merch section down below. Let's get into it.
Hello,
Hi.
citizens of Autodale.
Hi.
This public service announcement is following ludicrous concerns and whisperings we've been hearing of late. Silly claims of monsters, of unsightly and loathsome things living within our city. There are no monsters here, citizens. Not in Autodale. The great walls of Autodale are as impenetrable as the very handymen who stand upon them. Nothing gets in, nothing gets out. Remember, citizens, Autodale is our home, Autodale is protected, and Autodale is safe.
This is the first time we've seen any other kind of color except black, white, and red. Whoa!
Greetings, friendly shadow. Do try to stay out of trouble this time.
Save it. Let me in.
Saving it. Talkative as ever, shadow. Letting you in.
What do we know?
Not a lot. Screaming was heard, a man. 2 handymen were attracted to the scene, and, as you can see, all 3 were obliterated. It would seem we have another breach.
So another freak gun?
It would seem so. Whatever it was, it tore through a fighting fit young man and 2 fully functional handymen, the latter of which the mayor was not very pleased to hear. Pillars of protection and all that. We can't have them be seen in pieces, can we?
The victim. Is this his home?
Yes. He belongs to a family of 5. His wife and 2 sons hid in the house during the ruckus, and they're waiting for you inside. The couple's 3rd child, though, their daughter, she was in the thick of it. And she's missing.
She doesn't draw like a monster.
Her parents, though. Oh my.
This is a departure from what I've normally seen.
Oh, please forgive them. I was scared of you too when I was a kid. In all the comic books and films, I mean. You're not so scary in person. You look different without the coat.
Right. Ma'am, can you tell me anything about what happened? What did you see?
Nothing. I took the boys and we ran. We hid in the house.
Okay.
My youngest thinks he saw it. He only caught a glimpse of the thing. And I know it's silly, but this... It looked like this.
Uh-huh.
Oh my. At least the handymen put up some fight. Shadow, we know very little about these creatures. Even with one so wounded. Do be careful.
There's a little girl down there. I think we should...
Bless your little heart. Please do not let your tabloid heroics delude your purpose, Shadow. The child is dead. You're here to...
Hive.
This isn't one of your cartoons, Shadow. There aren't always happy endings. The girl is not your priority. What we need from you is that beast. Whatever is left of it, that is.
Right. If your daughter's alive, I will bring her back. She'll be joining her brothers, and we'll keep them safe. But... not you. After what happened here, you're going to be taken away, and you're...
I know. My daughter's been taken. And my husband's dead. I've failed.
I'm sorry.
Just promise me my daughter will be okay.
If your daughter's alive,
Promise me she'll be okay after you save her. Promise me she'll be joining her brothers and not me. Please.
I promise.
They're gonna kill her. This is an absolute nightmare. And everybody's just okay with it. Everybody's just okay with it.
You're a lot less scary without the coat.
I want to smile at that statement, but God. Once again, black, white, and red. God, I love this series so much. Notice the blood here isn't red. The blood here is not red. Only the humans seem to have the color assigned.
Leave it, Shadow. The creature is of more use to us alive. Find the girl.
Well, that was a switch.
Oh my. Shadow?
I know. How long has she been down here, Hive?
It couldn't have been more than an hour.
It looks like she's been here for weeks.
That doesn't make any sense.
Hey, it's okay. Now, I made a promise to a real respectable lady upstairs that I'd bring you back in one piece. So, come on.
Shadow, we have a problem. The drawing's on the wall, left side, there.
Uh-huh. Now, so is this not... Okay, so they weren't aware of these things in Autodale. The machines aren't aware of these. And who is this woman? Oh, it tore his arm off. That's a bad sign. Once again, the red is... Its mouth was glowing. Okay, dude, double tap is a thing, but you're going over the line.
girl's not the artist, Hive. She's only been here an hour. This is his room. These are his drawings.
Fascinating. There's far more to these creatures than we thought.
The kids have been meeting up for weeks. Playing together. Drawing pictures. Until their parents found out.
What is...
See the world through this monster's eyes.
That is so creepy.
A rather warped perception of reality. Don't you think?
Or is it accurate?
What will happen to the kid?
Everything. Experiments, tests. We know very little about these creatures. To have one
The
so...
girl.
Shadow. She has a widowed mother. She belongs to a now broken family, not to mention being affiliated with gruesome monsters, and is likely traumatized beyond all future societal function. There are no fosters with this one, Shadow. She will not be joining her brothers, if that's what you're asking. I'm sorry, but you're going to have to break your promise.
Right.
Get ready, citizens of Autodale, for our shady protector is at it again. You've
Oh my
heard the
God.
whisperings, and you've spread your concerns. So Autodale welcomes you now to the Friendly Shadow's latest adventure in this morning's brand new animated special, The Friendly Shadow vs. the Sewer Beast. Stay tuned, or alternatively, tune in tonight to Autodale's #1 radio theater drama serial, The Friendly Shadow Adventures, in which our shady protector will be ridding our precious city of the gruesome monsters that have been plaguing your worries. But wait, what is this? Your children are busy at the moment and the theater drama extends past their bedtime? No worries. Pick up the latest issue of Autodale's #1 comic book series, Our Shady Protector, number 244. A poor family in ruins.
Wait.
A little girl, kid.
Hold on a second. Let's see. What is this? Oh my God.
Kidnapped, and a terrible monster on the prowl. How will our friendly shadow save the day? Tune in to the radio theater drama, the animated cartoon special, or pick up the latest comic book issue to find out. And always remember, citizens, in the famous words of our shady protector himself, Autodale is our home, Autodale is protected, and Autodale is safe.
He's a puppet we control, and he disobeyed. He was following orders, the wrong orders, the orders of the girl's mother. Perhaps a simple rewiring.
It's a question of twisted morality. We have to remove more.
We remove too much of his humanity, he might as well be another handyman. This has gone too far. Completely defeats his purpose. Humanity. What little humanity he has left, he's ruining with scotch and cigars.
Maybe that's just it. He fundamentally doesn't believe in our ways that much. You think he's trying to ruin what little he's allowed to ruin?
Rather pathetic, really. It was mere empathy for the pleas of a mother. Her dying wish at that. Nothing we can do. He's still a tad human somewhere. Isn't that the point?
No, change him.
You think we can change him?
What is this?
Give him the coat and the coat. Give him the coat.
Why are they so... Okay. They kill you, you go back there. Color. What are these? Okay. So one of my thoughts, one of my opinions on what these things could have been from a previous episode is that we're somehow mutated humans. I'm not sure that's the case anymore. I did think these were mutated, somehow mutated humans. There we go. But I wasn't quite sure how. A chimera, definitely. But I didn't know if it was like a mutated human alongside a chimera. But here's the thing that's telling for me. Their blood isn't red. Their blood is the same black and white motif as the rest of everything else. Hold on. Okay, you can cut while I do my thing here. There you go. Okay. You just want to make bug noises? Look how chungus she is right now. She is chungus. Yes. Big chung. Okay, what is it? Can I get back to what I'm doing over here, please? Oop, you got caught up in the shirt. There you go. Right here, let me put you down real slow. Don't want you jumping. Let me give her a treat so she leaves me alone for a little while. You should... We're going to get her back up here so once again you guys can see this. Her eyes get so massive when she gets these. She really likes these. They smell horrible. I'm just saying. You want it? Come here. Come on up here. Hold on. Get you up here. Come here. Come here. Okay. Now the thing is, what I want to stress good girl. Alright, so let me bring this back up. So every single time a human has been injured or wounded, their blood has come up red. Not these things. That's what's kind of bottoming out that thought in my head. Now, when this thing opened its mouth, it's glowing inside. So is this another kind of automaton? A sentient automaton? Is this a chimera involving something of human DNA? Another sentient species that's come up from whatever led to Otterdale being formed in the first place? How do they not know about these creatures, first off, in Otterdale? Not well enough. And two, what are they? What do they represent at the end of the day? Now, the thing earlier that I thought with, especially when it came to model citizen, is a person is only valid until they fulfill, basically raise children. They're only useful up until that point in the society, then they're disposed of. And apparently it now branches out into if one of the spouses dies, if one of the parents die, apparently the other one is disposed of and the children are sent to foster care because of this society's apparent reliance on a 2-parent household. Oh my God. It's very disturbing how easily she just accepts the fact that she's going to die, and how later on they don't have anything in place to handle traumatic incidents happening in a child's life that might make them sit there and question or have problems functioning in society. So anybody that would have a difficult time functioning in society is immediately disposed of here. That it's just, Warpugs, it's stuff like this, these little details that are not even made a big deal out of, that are just thrown in there just as asides, that are making this series, quite simply put, the most creepy thing I've seen in a long time. Is these little tiny asides with very, there's no context thrown in because the context is clear. She's going to die because her husband died. Or, I don't even know if you would call it the husband. She's going to die because she is now one half of a functioning team according to this broken society, this dystopian society. The children are going to be taken to foster care. The girl was supposed to be killed. Now, here at the end, what's the matter? You're grunting, okay. Here near the end. Now, I've been wondering what these are. Primarily this one. And at this point, I just don't know. It's actually extremely concerning. I'm trying to figure out who these are supposed to be, what they're supposed to represent. Now, they're clearly at some point they were human. Clearly at some point they were human. But now they are just this hybrid thing. And I got a feeling that all of them are going to wind up being women, and they are probably all going to be the exceptionals from a few episodes ago when that one girl was listed as exceptional. Warpugs, I'm leaving it here. This is an amazing series. It's extremely well done. I have enjoyed it since the start. I'm going to jump out of here. Like, comment, subscribe, everything like that. And I will catch you guys next time. This is a creepy thing. This is a creepy